Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this tiny 1x64 scale highly detailed Isuzu D-Max pickup truck, and this model also have these miniature accessories, so let's get started. As I said, this model is really nicely detailed for the scale, and it also has openable front two doors and openable tailgate, which is really amazing to see on this tiny scale. So now let's talk about the accessories. So it has one set of off-roading tires in the box and these miniature lights which I can attach to the front bumper. So this is a really cool model. I bought this model from automania.co.in, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this short video. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.